Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery. Here you should click on the more icon and select battery saver. Simply by tapping on this switcher you can activate power saving mode, and as you can see now you're in low power solution. The red edges shows you that the device is in this power saving mode, and then if you'd like to switch it off, simply click here and now battery saver is deactivated. You can also set some rule, simply click on turn on automatically and you can pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick the first option. So from now on, every time the battery is lower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. And that would be all. This is how you can improve battery life, how you can save power in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.